Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Audi A3 engine cover. This is a simple process that usually takes only a few minutes. You will find that the cover is held in place by 4 rubber grommets, making it easy to detach without needing any special tools. We will go through each step to ensure you can safely and effectively remove the cover, allowing you to perform maintenance or simply inspect your engine bay. Before you begin, always make sure your Audi A3's engine is completely off and has cooled down to a safe temperature. While a cool engine is important for safety, a slightly warm engine can actually help, as the rubber grommets holding the cover in place become more pliable. Take a moment to visually identify the 4 main points where the cover connects to the engine. Now let's remove the cover. With both hands, firmly grip the engine cover, perhaps starting at one of the front corners. Apply a steady, upward force. You will feel the 4 rubber grommets release with a distinct pop. Work your way around the cover, ensuring each attachment point is free. Once all 4 grommets are disengaged, lift the entire cover straight up and away from the engine bay. To reinstall the engine cover, simply reverse the process. Carefully align the 4 posts on the underside of the cover with the corresponding rubber grommets on the engine. Gently push down on each corner, applying even pressure until you hear and feel each grommet click securely into place. Double-check that all 4 points are firmly attached. For future ease, you might consider applying a small amount of silicone lubricant to the grommets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.